Hi guys, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to stabilize slowed down footage with inside Premiere Pro. So we'll go inside Premiere Pro now and I'll show you how that's done. So welcome everyone, we're inside Premiere Pro and this is a clip you saw at the start of the video. And what we'll do, we've already slowed it down so you can see it's nice and slow motion. Now, if you were to go and try to put a warp stabilizer on this, as you'll see now. Here we do warp stabilizer. This can't happen at the same time, but there's a way around it. So what we can do here is so we just delete this. So what you need to do is right click and you'll see something called nest. So if you hit that, give it a name, it can be sequence 1, 10, whatever. Click that and this will turn green and that's let you know it's nested. So from here you can go into your effects, select warp stabilizer and drag and drop that on that and it'll just analyze in the background. Perfect. So select your smoothness. I normally do anywhere between 10 and 20%, so we'll do 20. Let it stabilize again. Shouldn't take too long. And there you have it. Your clip is now slowed down and stabilized, and I think this makes it look so much better, taking them little mini jitters out. So that's it. That's a quick and easy way to stabilize your slowed down footage using nesting with inside Premiere Pro. It's super useful, super easy, and if you like this video, if you can drop a like down below and subscribe, that'll help, and leave a comment telling me if this video is useful or helpful to you. And with that said, I'll see you in the next one. See ya.